Easy to install. Looks great. Much cleaner than OEM lens. I don't really need the cargo lights. Wish all brake lights was an option. Also would like to find tail lights that match the dark red color. Very nice and clean. Easy install. They come with high quality 3 meters adhesive which seals them to the cab. 10 out of 10. I would definitely purchase again. First one I bought had some sort of ground short in it, I think, where the cargo lights stayed on very dim 24/7. This one is a replacement but same exact model, seems to be working just fine. Installed it yesterday. It was what ordered and fit perfectly. Click link in description for more reviews.